You may first need to remove the existing clips from your mats. The clips are made from two parts, fitted together from either side of the mat. Most will pull apart by hand. However, if they're a little tight, you can gently prise them open with a flat screwdriver. Go ahead and open all of the clips on your mat. If you've got more than one clip, make sure to remove them all before proceeding. At this point, take the two halves of one of your replacement clips and position them around the hole in the mat where the previous clip was, making sure that the mat is sandwiched neatly between them. Finally, push the two halves together from either side until you hear or feel them click. The clip should now be securely locked in place. Some clips may require a little more force to lock together. Don't worry, you shouldn't be able to break the clip. You can now repeat this process for any other clips that need replacing, and your mat should fit securely in your car's footwell. If you need further assistance, feel free to reach out.